Pretty much I got off last night. I was playing Madden, this guy decided to get off, and this is what he sent me because the commissioner kicked me from a Madden league and he played the computer. Hopefully you can read, and you've read that by now. The voice message is 10 times better than the actual message. If it will load.
Oh yeah, right in your butthole, baby boy. Oh yeah.
Again, this person's name is XXD Hamilton. Or no, it's D Hamilton XX25XX. So, if you want to spam him with some retarded, spammer nonsense, all spamming is welcome. Thank you.